If you run an HVAC business, you probably think your insurance has you covered. But here's the truth. Most contractors are missing critical protection and don't even know it. General liability. That's just the start. What happens if a client claims your system wasn't installed properly and sues you? That's where professional liability kicks in. Your tools get stolen from your van overnight. Unless you have the right kind of equipment coverage, you're paying out of pocket. And don't assume your personal auto policy covers your work truck. It doesn't. You need commercial auto insurance, or you could be denied a claim after a crash. Even subcontractors can expose you to risk if they're not properly insured. And guess who's liable? You. The bottom line, one gap in coverage can wipe out years of hard work. Don't wait for a claim to find out that you're not protected. Click the link in the description to read the full breakdown, because peace of mind starts with the right insurance policy.